Hello, I wanted to make a video to fill you in on what's been going on in my life and why I haven't been painting, as well as what I have planned. I am definitely trying really hard to get myself back into the studio. I know back in January I made a video saying that I was back, but since then I actually ended up buying a house. I am so excited to share this with you guys. This is my first house that I've ever bought and I am thrilled. Since January, I have been doing a lot of painting, just not the artsy type. My house needed quite a bit of work, and so I've been having to learn how to do that stuff. So I have had a lot of work to do on my house. It was definitely needing a few things fixed, and I keep finding more things. Nothing major, they're all little things. The painting really has been the biggest issue. The walls were kind of dingy, definitely dirty, and had tons of holes in them. These people made so many holes in the walls, like just nails and screws and weird stuff. So it's been a lot of work to get the house to a place that I feel is to my standard in cleanliness. In this time lapse, you can see me just finishing up the hallway into my studio. I wanted to make the walls really white in the studio, but I wanted something a little bit fun. So just one of the walls in the entrance hallway, I decided to go with a nice, bright, fun yellow. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How did I go from not painting to suddenly buying a house? So 2 years ago, when I stopped painting, I got a new job that would support me in my life. Unfortunately, it's a really demanding job and I haven't had time for painting. Hopefully, I'm getting myself to a stable place now where I will be able to make some time for getting back into art. Over the past 2 years, this job has dominated my life. And with that, I've met a lot of new people and made a lot of new friends. And so I wanted to somehow bring that into my art world. And that's what I've been trying to figure out how I could do, and also how do I have the time for oil painting and then whatever this new project is to go along with my day-to-day life. I think that I have resolved this issue and found a way to do something that connects me with my day job and my art that is quick, a little bit easier to do. It's not as photoreal as my oil paintings, but I still really enjoy it and it definitely scratches my art itch. This was a really silly photo of one of my coworkers and I just thought it was such a funny photo. I really wanted to do something with it. And so I decided to just do a drawing in Copic markers. And so I think I'm going to continue with this and do more drawings of more coworkers. I kind of want it to be a bit of a blue collar, regular Joe kind of a series. So I'm just going to be using normal, everyday people at work. Lots of new things in my life, new house, new job, and hopefully some new art. I'm pretty comfortable with my house and my job. I've got it a little bit to a place where I'm going to have some more free time. I'm not working 12-hour days anymore. And so I'm pretty excited to get back to art, and now that I'm pretty close to getting the studio set up, hopefully I'll be able to do a studio tour once I get myself a little bit more situated and actually get back to painting. I do have a video about getting back into art after a long break that I haven't edited yet. So once I put that together, I'll be able to release that. So I'm really trying to get back to it. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the comments that I've gotten on my channel over the last 2 years. You guys are the reason that I want to come back because I really miss you and I'm super excited to be getting back into it.